USCIS Form I-90 explained. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for permanent residents, USCIS Form I-90. Whether your green card is about to expire, got lost, or damaged, this video will help you understand everything you need to know about filing Form I-90. First things first, what is USCIS Form I-90? Form I-90, officially known as the Application to Replace Permanent Resident Card, is used by permanent residents to renew or replace their green cards. If your green card is expired or will expire within the next 6 months, or if it's been lost, stolen, or damaged, this is the form you need. Let's talk about who needs to use this form. Now, let's go through the form step by step. Starting with Part 1, you'll fill out your personal information. Make sure everything matches your current green card. In Part 2, select the reason you're filing. Continue through each section carefully. One common mistake is in Part 3, where applicants often miss the class of admission field. Be sure to double-check all your entries. You can file Form I-90 either online or by mail. Online filing is faster and allows you to track your application status easily. If you prefer mailing your application, ensure you include all necessary documents. The filing fee for Form I-90 is currently $455, plus an $85 biometric fee. If you're eligible for a fee waiver, you can apply for that as well. I'll leave links in the description for more details on fee waivers. After you file Form I-90, you'll receive a receipt notice from USCIS. Processing times can vary, but generally, it takes several months. You might be required to attend a biometrics appointment to have your fingerprints and photo taken. Keep an eye on your mail and email for any additional requests from USCIS. You can track your application's status online using the receipt number. Let's go through some frequently asked questions. One common question is, what if my green card has already expired? Don't worry, you can still file Form I-90. Another question is about traveling while waiting for your new card. You can request an I-551 stamp in your passport as temporary proof of your status. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media for more updates and tips. If you need more information, check out our article in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos on immigration. See you next time.